Gentlemen, today topic that I'm going to discuss is defense indigenization. First of all, we need to understand our defense sector, defense market. We are the world largest defense equipment importer and constitute around 11% of the total defense import. And when it comes to the export, we export 0.6, 0.7% globally. So it shows that how important for India to move toward the defense indigenization so that we can save the billion of money that every year go to the other countries, mainly Russia, Israel, USA, and many more. So, firstly, we need to understand why it is important. First thing that we will be able to save billion of money. Second thing, we will have dependency on ourselves. We do not need to depend on other because of Russia-Ukraine war. These days, we know that how we are struggling to get a lot of equipment, weapons, and some military hardware that we used to import from the Russia. So we knew it. So because of it, it shows that it's a very important. So now talking about what are the some initiative that government is doing and what are the ways to move toward the defense indigenization. First of all, we need to put export ban on the certain defense equipment that we can manufacture in our own country. Apart from that, our domestic manufacturing startup, they need to give push lot of incentive need to be given to them, and licensing process to them need to be made quite easy, and we should try to increase the participation of the private player because their participation will give huge boost to this whole sectors, and we will able to manufacture many weapons like we have like Tejas is one of our example. Joint venture that we are doing with Russia regarding BrahMos is another example, and another way is that we should try to force other countries, our defense partner country, to share technology, instant exporting thing like the Russia is one of our friendly country. It share the technology, be it regarding 203 weapons, regarding BrahMos. Technology sharing is very important, and last year we have also signed agreement with the USA, General Electronic Defense Company, under which GE 414 engine will be delivered to India. I mean, this is technology sharing. 80% technology they will share with India. So such more and more initiative need to be there. And the government had in 2021 dissolved the ordnance factory board into the 7 country for the better maintenance, for the better control, and for the better funding. So that is a very good thing, and we have set a target to achieve the 5 billion defense export by 2025. So it can happen only by focusing more and more toward the indigenization. And now talking about the foreign partner, foreign companies, we should incentivize them to come to India to make their manufacturing facility here. So it is quite beneficial for us. For that, we need to make a licensing process quite easy, and also allow the FDI. As of now, 74% FDI through non-government channel and 100% FDI through government channel is allowed in defense sector. So this is a very good push toward it. In the year 1993, integrated guided missile program was started under the leadership of our former President APJ Abdul Kalam. That was a great initiative, like Agni, BrahMos, Trishul. These all missile were made, and these days we export these missile, and somehow we are having lots of self-reliance in the missile technology. And apart from that, Project 75 is another initiative under which, by collaborating with some countries like Russia, France, and some more country, we are going to make the submarines, nuclear submarine, indigenously in our own country. And Indian Navy has also starting initiative Sprint, under which integration of the different technology will be done there. We need to understand that it is very important for us to focus more and more on this sector, as we know that when it comes to the India's research and development, our share is very low. We hardly spend 0.5, 0.6% on research and development of our GDP. They need to be increased. The country like USA, Israel, their share is higher, 2, 3, 4% of their GDP. Already USA GDP is very high, very big. So we need to focus more and more on research and development, because once we make our research and development very good, then in great way defense technology innovation will happen, and we will able to have a robust defense our own manufacturing setup. We need to make it quite easy for our domestic companies, and apart from that, it is up to the government hand that how government what is the government policy toward it, how much it is focusing on the new technology, introduction of artificial intelligence in the defense sectors like the drone, something that is quite emerging and that is very much needed, that is a requirement of the defense market today. We need to focus on that thing so that we can also along with achieving the defense indigenization, we can also export this equipment and we will earn billion of money. The same money can be utilized in research and development, manufacturing the defense equipment, and many more things. So this is as per me what we need to do when it comes to the defense indigenization, and this is a very very good thing. This is a need of the hour where we need to focus. Thank you. Jai Hind.